Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the latest Capgemini, Deloitte and Cognizant interview experience. The first interview is of Capgemini, and this interview started with the self introduction. Then they asked question from the project, then about internship, then preferred language. I told Java and Python, then why Java and why not C++, and then scenario based questions. And the scenario based questions is little bit tricky. They have asked something related to they will give the scenario in that questions, and you have to talk on based on the scenario. Okay, then they ask what why HTML, and then they ask the difference between list and tuple, then which AI tool you use, then final year project. So this is a easy interview, it is not that much tough, and this interview duration is around 20 to 25 minutes. So this is the interview of Capgemini I have discussed here in this video. And the next interview is of Deloitte. Okay, and the Deloitte interview started with the self introduction, then a description of project, then questions on project, then language you are good at, then why not Java. Then swap to number without using third variable, then online test marks, ask question regarding that why I got less mark in some section, then any questions. And the interview duration is around 20 to 30 minutes. So this is also a very easy interview of Deloitte. The next interview is also of Deloitte, and this interview also started with the self introduction, then project details, then machine learning NLP concept. Project was based on that OOPS concept. Two codings, get two input from user and return sum of two if they are odd, or else return difference of two, then palindrome program. So in this Deloitte interview, two coding questions is asked, and you need not to write the full code. You, if you know the logic, then you can also write the logic of the program. So these both program are very easy. One is from palindrome number, then another is of sum and deletion program. So this is also a very easy interview of Deloitte. The next interview is of Cognizant, and this interview is of Cognizant for the CIS role. This interview is also started with the self introduction, then project details, then why will you do if, what will you do if your PC gets slow. So this is a very repetitive questions in CIS role of Cognizant. Then about CIS role and its responsibility, then are you okay with night shift? You have to say yes, I am okay with the night shift of Cognizant. Why triply to IT, then about location Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, and the interview duration is around 10 minutes. So this is a very short and very easy interview of Cognizant. So from all these interview you can see that both the four interviews started with the self introduction, then question from the projects, and then one two question technical, and after that one two program they have asked in the interview. And when you are going to any IT company interview, firstly read out about the that company, in which technology the company is working, where is the head office of the company. So all these things you will discuss, and at the end of every interview experience I have discussed here all these things, that you will discuss the basic points of Deloitte, as Deloitte is an British multinational professional service network, and Deloitte is the largest professional service network by revenue and number of employees in the world, and is considered one of the big four accounting firm along with EY, KPMG, and PwC. As Deloitte is founded in 1845, that is, it is very old IT company. It is founded in 1845, that is 179 year ago, in London, that in England, and founder is William Well Deloitte. Here its headquarter in London, that is in England, and its area served is worldwide. And now the current CEO of Deloitte is Jospe B. Yuchugolu, and the chairperson of Deloitte is Anna Marks. Its revenue in 2023 is $64.9 billion, and its number of employees 4,57,000 worldwide. Its website is www.deloitte.com. The firm was founded by William Wells Deloitte in London in 1845 and expanded into the United States in 1890. That is, after 45 years ago, it have expanded in the US. Then it merged with Haskin and Sell to form Deloitte Haskin and Sell in 1972, with Touches Ross in the US to form Deloitte and Touch in 1989. In 1993, the international firm was renamed Deloitte Touche Tochmastu, later abbreviated to Deloitte in 2002. Archu Anderson practice in the UK as well as several of the IT firm practices in Europe and North and South America agreed to merge with Deloitte. Subsequent executions have included Monitor Group, a large strategy consulting business in January 2023. The Deloitte firm is a UK private company limited by guarantee supported by a network of independent legal entity. So these are the basic details. Now the total number of employees in the Deloitte is 4,57,000. So these are the basic details of Deloitte I have discussed here in this video, and also the interview experience. So more update like this, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, for the latest update, latest interview experience. I will share all IT company update and interview experience in this channel. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel, guys.